come see. It is located in South America, where the land receives about 9 feet of rainfall each year. Just like the Amazon basin, it is very humid. The ecosystem is very unique and diverse. Some of the main producers are ferns, trees, and shrubs. Grasshoppers and mayflies thrive off of these plants. Deer, show the deer, and frogs feed off of them. Coyotes are one of the top predators in this region. Water and rocks provide nutrients and shelter for plants and animals in this area. Humans cut down trees, causing deforestation. When this occurs, animals lose their habitats. This sometimes leads to an animal being extinct or even endangered or even becoming extinct. Darn guys, don't do that. Just don't do that. To stop the current human impacts, humans need to stop cutting down trees and taking away animal homes. You should come visit us at the Amazon rainforest today.
In South America.